So today is the day me and the boys are going to be going to Golaghat. It's already late, so let's rush a bit. Aosunep is waiting for me at Imligas, so and then I think Motologue and his brother, they're at DDSC Stadium, so let's rush a bit. Where is Snip? Just wow. Oh, I just salah. Take time there, je. Take time there, je. Chal, tambe. रुकिए दे. चलो. I think I'm not gonna record much here in Dimapur, but Golaghat punju nale Golaghat lar sade record karna jaunegi because don't wanna waste the battery also na. So yeah, let's meet up at Assam Roads. Oh, they're here. Oh, I get it. Hello, sir. Huh? Let's go. We have a RC200, Duke 390, RC125, and NS200. Chalo. So I'm gonna show you guys why I was not like mom biya with again. They said I get a jump more there. But I'm just like
हमें छापरी हमें छापरी हमें छापरी हमें छापरी
smooth. That was smooth. Damn, this road looks like the old highway. Chumu. I mean, पुराना highway देखना मान दिमापुर दे. इधर 4 lane नहीं जाता. इधर highway नहीं चलती किसी को. Nostalgic times. Surprisingly, the weather is not hot. It's not humid either, so it's good. Or maybe it's because we're riding bikes that we can't feel the heat. But yeah, it's not humid as of now. Let's see when we stop. Risky as well. The famous breakers of Assam. Repeat. Chada pastal. Worst thing for us sports bike users. If it was exposed then urina jao, but since it's a sports bike, khatam. There's no escape to it. And I think we're reaching Bokajan now. He's referring to his old video where we nearly hit a goat. So yeah, none of us have done our, you know. Whoa! I'll see you the breaker now. But yeah, coming back again, none of us have done our breakfast, so we're going to be stopping at Silonijan. Last time anik moi house na tade ruti kaise to over baltai to tade rikyo nana bawiz. And then the weather is a little sus, yeah. But nigir nishnaze nagiri. Anyway, so let's meet if something interesting happens because I don't wanna waste my battery GoPro la. I mean, okay, nothing sort of interest, but the view from here is like really good. It's filled with greenery. I really enjoy this road. But then breaker ba alap alchigor de, or else rasta da moza de. Green everywhere. thank God it's not sunny, okay? Because sun alay siya lito. Ito jaga alop over biyad. Sun alak biya okay. Mati yung dangor dito kun lawe o. Farm side alay al siya wala. Anyway, moving on. I'm like wondering how much the bill is gonna come out. Because paradok power repair room dyan na. Alap diri chala wala. I mean diri chala dyan alap alap lamba chala wala. Ija jam de tik tak power repair room wo. Complain alap komti room wo ina na. Bike rides ka na video alap bunaw. I think one of the reasons why I'm not recording much motovlog is because of this issue also. Because mala bike lagi la bearing do up. Bearing no, not the bearing, the bushing. Pushing do RS sa dalin nasa do. To lop nimilan siya lagi. Tire lop wobble run siya lagi na. Turning them de. To idor na eh. Tinik ta at least tapay na. So after the repairs are done, I hope and pray that I'm gonna make content on a regular basis. To be eating out here somewhere. I think last time la jaga te khane ire khao ha tere na jao last time la jaga te khane ki baba cho mate kuche de ire ne jida cho notun try karo हाँ गोलाघाट ओए की कॉलेज भात खाओ ना रोटी खाओ ना की कॉलेज पराठा मिलेगा ना चलो चलो पराठा दे we're done eating now directly Golaghat service center. I think there's no more breaker from here anymore, so cornering and mara chalo mau jada. Then behind me you can see Motovlog. Ini thấy na. Salam sahab. Hehehe, risky yo. So pretty. Kita pujoki jane. And yeah, let's hope I get all my parts for the bike. Oo, panay doon dyan. At least it's not raining. Yeah. What can I say? At least it's not raining. Yeah. Chala. So we stopped out here somewhere in Golaghat to check the map, and then we checked where the service center is. Now we're gonna be going there, so yeah, let's go. No idea, because this is the first time we are here at the service center. I mean, we're going to be going to Golaghat service center, so yeah, let's go. बिहार ने जगह था. Now Motovlog and his brother is leading because they're checking the map and going. So yeah, that is why they're leading. And me and aosunep are out here. Breaker, not a problem. Oh, not a breaker. Mara, Assam la famous style of roading, tail stop. Boarding ready na ako. Whoa, whoa. Oh, it is it. Nice. Nishide over there. Oh, Nishide service center. Ta bike to be shiz.
A few moments later.
Sir, the key to. अपनी है तो किसने तो Golaghat ला. Link tao chưa? Hả? Kita. अपने इधर क्यों चल इतना काम करना? So I'm gonna be changing everything. Clutch plate, engine like oh, front bearing bushing, spark plug, खराब हो गया. Wow, my old spark plug, handlebar. Iridium spark plug. ये वाला अच्छा है ना? चलो. I don't know what time it is, but I think it's already 6. We're still in Golaghat. But then yeah, it was an experience. This service center is better than Dimapur. Way better. And then I think I would recommend this service center to others too. I mean, Guwahati Jorhat la balola ho pare de, but then at least parts to yede bishula sa Dimapur ba, so illa balola. Here comes Motologue. We are really going to be late today because Golaghat pa Dimapur jokes na, especially the breakers, man. But then yeah, I'll record when I'm on the way. So yeah, let's go. So we're moving out now. Everything is done. My bike is done. I mean, handlebar change ko parne because stock to thaka na. But then yeah, other than that, everything is done. And then other than the handlebar, sab change kori siya ba bill man visualize there, which I'm gonna be addressing on the way. But yeah, wala siya bill though. Wow, just chill na. But then I'm really satisfied with the service there. I would give this Golaghat service center 8 out of 10. The 2 points is missing out of 10. It's because you know, manolop komti is. Other than that, sab tik tak ase, and especially parts pa na, so that's what makes it good. And then aosunep is in front of me, Motovlog is behind me, and then his brother is behind him. We're all moving back home. This was, I mean, not was, it still is. This is a fun ride. Slow, chill, marna jaze. Not bad, not bad. I mean, I'm actually skeptical. I mean, I'm actually like not someone who takes like night rides, but then group balda usually ni wala na. So yeah, fun ride. Also, I changed a lot of stuff. My bill was like 5,253 rupees. So all I did. But then it was expected because I changed so many things. Clutch plate, and then agela tire la bushing, aro clutch cable, aro gasket la thagishe, aro engine oil dalishe because clutch change krado engine oil dali ho jay na, so dalishe. And then nachito moto kuri korna damu yeshe. But then yeah, all is worth in the end. So yeah, very happy. So let's see the ride back home. Kinao. Me, I'm enjoying this. City Tower. It's very late. I don't know what time is it, but yeah. If you guys watched till here, then thank you so much for watching.